can we schedule messages on WhatsApp? Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're gonna find out whether we can schedule messages on WhatsApp or not. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So here, what we can do is simply open the WhatsApp app on the phone. Now here, once inside the WhatsApp, you can simply go to the chat where you want to schedule the messages, and here you can simply type the messages. But here, if you try to schedule the messages for it to send automatically to that particular person on WhatsApp, there isn't any options to do that. So, to be frank, WhatsApp does not have a built-in message scheduling feature. So here, you can't schedule messages on WhatsApp. I hope with this, you'll find this video helpful. And if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.